It is said that fools rush in where angels fear to tread. It is very important for you to philosophize the meaning of this matter. Fools do not have the ability or common sense to judge the places they visit. It is intrinsic for you to judge the value of the places. In England, there is a proverb that an Englishman's house is his castle. An Englishman's house is his castle. To think of this proverb gives you an opportunity to be reasonable. You do not forget common sense you need as one of individuals who dwells here in this human society. It goes without saying that when you are at home, you can do anything because it is your home. It is the best place for you to relax as you wish to do. Now you are in England. Then, when you visit someone's house, you need to think of what kind of place it is. When you are at your castle, you can do anything because you have your castle yourself. You are an owner of your castle. When you go to other castle, you need to think of at least the following: how you need to take care of your manner first. Etiquette. You need to think of necessary things for you not to do anything evil at others' castle. The castle you do not own shall be the place where you cannot do anything according to your authority. You need to pay attention not to do anything wrong. In the United States, it is said that there is no place like home. Once you go back to your home, you can do anything according to your idea. This means if you go to someone's home, you need to do your best to be reasonable as a guest, because it is not your home. You do not have any right to infringe upon the rights of other people.